Hello friends, welcome back to another video and thanks for watching. In this video, we will be presenting to you top causes of road accidents every driver must know. Nobody looks forward to having a road accident. A road accident is the most undesirable thing to happen to any road user. Still, these accidents occur perhaps too often. Getting into a car accident can lead to several unwanted consequences, including permanent injuries, loss of earnings, and property destruction. So, why not avoid a car accident in the first place? Understanding the leading causes of road accidents is one of the first steps in preventing such. Road accidents can be caused by a variety of factors, including 1. Distracted driving. The main cause of road accidents today in most countries is distracted driving. It may seem minor, but a distracted driver can lead to one of the most dangerous situations on the road. Common driver distractions include talking on a cell phone, sending text messages, reaching for a moving object inside the vehicle, looking at an object or event outside of the vehicle, reading a book, eating food, applying makeup. 2. Drunk driving. When you drink, you lose the ability to focus and function properly, and it's very dangerous when operating a vehicle. Driving under the influence of alcohol causes car accidents every day, even when they are one of the top causes that can be avoided. Always use a designated driver if you go out and drink. 3. Overspeeding. Overspeeding is one of the commonest causes of fatal accidents. Here's why faster vehicles are more prone to accidents than slower vehicles. The faster you drive, the slower your reaction time is if you need to prevent an auto accident. Most people will agree when you mention going at 100 miles per hour or over as being foolish. Yet, many of us fail to realize that exceeding the speed limit, even by 5 miles per hour in the wrong place, can be just as fatal. 4. Running red lights. When you're driving your car, red means stop, and not doing so usually leads to car accidents. Drivers that run red lights run the risk of causing wrongful death because they often cause side impact collisions at high speeds. To avoid a car accident, look both ways for oncoming cars as you approach a green light. 5. Running stop signs. Most accidents occur because drivers run stop signs. Stop signs should never be ignored, but when they are, serious car accidents are often the result. Each year, thousands of car accidents occur because one driver ran a stop sign. You should always look both ways when proceeding through a stop sign. 6. Reckless driving. If you don't drive carefully, you may end up in a needless car accident. That's what often happens to reckless drivers who speed, change lanes too quickly, or tailgate before causing a car accident. Reckless drivers are often impatient in traffic, so be sure to take extra care around aggressive drivers. 7. Night driving. Driving in the daylight can be sometimes dangerous, but driving at night nearly doubles the risk of a car accident occurring. When you can't see what's up ahead, you don't know what to anticipate as you drive toward it. As the sun goes down, your awareness of the road and cars around you must go up. 8. Unsafe lane changes. It is usually normal to get over to another lane that is an exit from a freeway or get in the correct lane to make a turn. When drivers don't make safe lane changes properly, it often leads to a car accident. To prevent a needless car accident, use your turn signal, check your blind spots, and always proceed carefully into the next lane. 9. Tailgating. Tailgating means driving too closely behind another vehicle. Many fatal car accidents have occurred when a driver dangerously tailgated another driver at high speeds. You can prevent these car accidents by giving the car in front of you a 1 car lane buffer for every 10 miles per hour you drive. 10. Potholes. Driving on road with potholes is the root cause of so many accidents. Drivers run the risk of losing control of their car or blowing out a tire when they drive over these potholes. If you see a pothole in your car's path, you can avoid a car accident by making sure that your tires do not drive over it. 11. Fog. Driving is a skill that requires the ability to see. The fog makes it extremely difficult to see, sometimes more than a car's length in front of you. Avoid car accidents by using your headlights, and never use high beams when driving in the fog. Use only low beams. 12. Driving under the influence of drugs. It's not only alcohol that is dangerous for drivers. Drugs, both legal and illegal, can impair your ability to fully function as a driver. If your mind isn't clear and you don't have complete control over your body, Getting behind the wheel can lead to serious car accidents. If you made it to the end of this video, congratulations and a big shout out to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. You can also add other causes of road accidents in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.